important task that we need to complete using Firefly is to communicate our lesson summary to parents, and we're doing that using the blog posts. So I want to show you very quickly how you might do that. Each subject should now have class pages, and each class page should include, or as a subpage, should have a blog post. What do I mean by that? Let me show you in IGCSE Mathematics. We can see there are 4 classes in Year 10 and 4 classes in Year 11. Each teacher has their class page, so I'll go to Miss Leong's 10D class, and she is able to use that page to communicate with her students or to do something at a later date with that. But she does have a subpage, which is her blog post, and this is titled the way that we would expect the parents to see that. Year 10 Mathematics, Miss Leong's lesson summary. All that Carmen needs to do is to create her blog post for that particular day or for the series of lessons. We know that we must do this at least once a week, but you might do it 2 or 3 times a week, and in some cases each and every day. So all Carmen has to do is to create the blog post. Let's say that she's teaching changing the subject of a formula, so she's going to put in there Monday 21st of August as the title, or she may say Monday 21st to 25th of August if she's doing a few days. She may want to put the title, so changing the subject of a formula. She may want the topic title in there as well, but reasonably short title for the actual lesson summary, and then we click on Write Blog Post. And this is where Carmen will put in more detail. So this week, or this lesson, students were learning how to change the subject of a formula, and we may say including more complex steps. She may put more detail than that. She may want to mention that homework was issued, so that was just that one lesson summary, or she may say homework was issued on Tuesday and Friday. So some detail, as we've done before as a school under what we used to call Odins. You provide some detail on the lesson that you think would be useful for parents and would not be ambiguous. Carmen then just needs to publish that. I'm not going to publish that on her page, I'm just going to save it as a draft so that you can see what it looks like, and there'll be a post from the teacher for the parent. Those will build up, but no one looks at this page apart from you, and they will be organised by month on the right hand side. These pages cannot be accessed by students, and we'll make sure that this particular page can't be seen by parents or staff, parents or students, but if they follow Carmen's blog, then they will see the posts. So that's where they click on follow. You need to do that for each of your lessons. How do we do that quickly? You don't want to navigate around Firefly. There's 2 options really. The most useful option would be to bookmark your Odin posts, your blog posts. So I'm just going to show you, and I'm sure that many of you did this last year. Here's my bookmarks along the top of my Chrome browser, and I have bookmarked these blog posts so that in the morning or at the end of the day I can just quickly jump to the one I need. So you do that by going to your particular blog. So let's say I'm going to Miss Lee's Year 8 blog, and you go to somewhere in your browser that allows you to bookmark the tab. I can bookmark that, and I can do that in a particular folder. And you can create these folders by using something called Manage Your Bookmarks. I or others, I'm sure, will be very happy to help you to do that. That's how you create a blog post, and that's what we need to do this week.